gentlemen, today I'm really happy to be here and welcome all my friends from the media and few of them from the film fraternity. All of us over here, I think, all my friends over here and from the media. I think this is big screen entertainment. Has to be watched on the big screen. It's unbelievable. So before we proceed, and I call everybody on stage, there is a message which has directly come from Los Angeles.
My entire team, Ritik, Vivek, Kangana, Rakesh sir, and everybody else who has worked really hard in this team, they're all there. And I'm feeling terrible about the fact that I'm not there, but this is a really, really, really great trailer, and I can't wait to share it with all of you. So good luck to the whole team who worked really hard for 3 years to make this happen, and all my love and best wishes. Ritik, you're India's favorite superhero, so show them how it's done.
या हर चीज़ की रिपीट वैल्यू है, ट्रेलर की भी और प्रियंका की भी. Fantastic. Today is a very, very special moment for me. Today I'm here because of a friend who has given me 3 of my best films. And more than anything, I think, Gudu, I must thank you for giving me this honor and privilege that I come here and introduce and unveil this an anchor and whatever you want to say. Thank you so much. And you made me feel that I'm part of your family. Thank you so much. Thank you. मगर फिर भी आप लोग सोच रहे हो कि फिर भी कहीं ना कहीं तो मैं एक्टर हूँ ना, तो मैं यहाँ सूट पहनकर, अपना बेस्ट सूट पहनकर मैं यहाँ क्यों आया हूँ? क्या है कि मेरी और गुड्डू जी की बहुत ज़बरदस्त जोड़ी चल रही थी, हिट पे हिट, हिट पे हिट, हिट पे हिट. मैं सोचा मेरी भी जोड़ी चलेगी मनमोहन देसाई, अमित जी की तरह. मगर एक जोड़ी तोड़ने आ गया, ऋतिक रोशन. उसने ये जोड़ी ही तोड़ दी. मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ यार, कभी कभार आप लोगों को कभी थोड़ा सा प्लीज़ गुड्डू जी एक कभी चांस दे दीजिए, इसलिए मैं यहाँ हूँ. ठीक ठाक कर रहा हूँ ना काम? सो क्रिश 4 में मुझे प्लीज़ आप ज़रूर लेना. So ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to call the entire team headed by Mr. Rakesh Roshan to come on the stage, please. Mr. Rakesh Roshan, Kangana Ranaut, Vivek Oberoi, Rajesh Roshan, Sunaina, and my younger brother, Hrithik Roshan.
Good afternoon, everybody, and thank you all for being here. I would like to thank Anil for, in such a short notice, he came over, gave us the respect, and this gesture of his will always remain in my heart. Thank you, Anil.
It's helped me reaffirm a few values that I've learned during the journey of this film, of Krish 3. One is that there is nothing better in this world than being faced by an insurmountable problem. And there is nothing stronger in this world than a man's will. Today we are all here because of one man's vision and his spirit that just said, I will not give up. And that man is my father right here. I want to thank him. In fact, it's time for a hug. But we all know that no man can be an island and achieve or dream of great victories in life just by himself. And nobody knows that better than my own father. We all would be nothing without the contribution of other people in our lives. We can never even hope to achieve the victories that we want to achieve. So I stand here in immense gratitude, high, because he's standing on the shoulders of giants. These are all the giants, the team, the entire team of Krish. Priyanka's not here, but I love you. She has her contribution to the film. Every single person, the entire cast, the crew, the technicians, this would not be possible without that. In fact, this film is the one film that's least about me and more about all of them. And for that, I want to thank them from the bottom of my heart.
So I think the contribution has been everyone's, and I'm just humbled and overwhelmed at all this love and appreciation. Thank you so much.
जो विवेक ने जो किया है इस फिल्म में, वो मैं नहीं कर पाता. That is for certain. If you have to see what he's done in this film, it is phenomenal. Phenomenal.
किसी भी किरदार के लिए कुछ भी मुश्किल नहीं है अगर आपके पास एक दिग्गज लेजेंडरी मास्टर डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं आपको, तो इट्स इजी टू डू एनी रोल. It's all him. It's all Gudu uncle and his brilliance.
A superhero is nothing without a supervillain. So I had to create a supervillain. And to think about that character was very, very difficult. So we needed some powers in him to fight the superhero. So we gave him so much of power that even a superhero is unable to fight with him. And then how he conquers him, you have to see in the film.
I just want to add that when जब हम सोच रहे थे कि इस कैरेक्टर भी इतना पावर उसमें डाल दिया है, which actor will play this now? We sat exactly for about 2 minutes, and that list was the shortest list you can ever imagine in the world. It had only one name, and that was Vivek Oberoi.
Firstly, it's been an absolute honor and privilege. It's a dream come true working with the Roshans. इतना प्यार और इतनी तारीफ दी है, I'm overwhelmed. I really don't know what to say. मेरे ज़बान पर लफ्ज़ नहीं आ रहे हैं. But at the end of the day, the character that's been created, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. I think I'm just an actor.
This is definitely a very, very unconventional role. Kaya is a mutant. She's human. She got superpowers. Is sexy but wicked at the same time.
Well, I haven't been called sexy so far. So I would enjoy it if they call me sexy.
म्यूजिक इनकी पिक्चर में देना अभी दिन ब दिन मेरे लिए मुश्किल होते जा रहा है. राकेश जी का जो दिमाग है वो बिल्कुल एकदम म्यूजिकल है. बोथ ऑफ देम आर सो म्यूजिकल दैट दे हैव द म्यूजिक सेट इन देयर माइंड. दे हैव द गोल कि यही चाहिए इससे, और मुझे बोलते हैं एक्शन फिल्म में बनाओ. सो व्हेन आई मेक द म्यूजिक आई सेड कैसे बनाओ यार, कैसे गाएगा ये एक्शन आता. But they have the melody already set in their minds. And that's how they help me make the tunes. कि नहीं इसको change करो, ये थोड़ा आम लग रहा है, routine लग रहा है. And that's how I create better and better, with them.
The entire country sees films like Iron Man and Superman. So that the competition, of course, is incredible. And why not compete with them? Why not find out what we are about? And I also want to take this opportunity to say that the entire special effects of this film, the decision was made by my father that he wanted it to be done in India by our artists, by our team, to encourage them and instill that motivation and back them कि हम कर सकते हैं. अब टाइम आ चुका है कि we will find out कि हम में कितनी शक्ति है, कितना ताकत है और कितना talent है. This is it. And we are ready. No matter how much we can go on about saying इतना hard work किया हम लोगों ने, ये किया वो किया, if the result is not there, it is of no use at all. The fact that you have liked the result of this promo instills a lot of hope, encouragement and motivation inside me. So thank you for that. I want to thank all of you and all my fans out there for all the love and support that I have received, which has kept me powerful throughout this phase.
कहते हैं कि पहले लोग ही डिसाइड करते हैं पिक्चर का फेट. तो अगर पहला लुक सब लोगों को पसंद आया है तो एक श्योरिटी मिल जाती है कि शायद पिक्चर को अच्छी ओपनिंग लग जाएगी. उसके बाद देखेंगे पिक्चर अच्छी होगी तो चलेगी, नहीं होगी तो नहीं चलेगी.
वेल ही इज़ सुपर्ब, ही इज़ एब्सोल्युटली माइंड ब्लोइंग. और जो उन्होंने किया है वो बिल्कुल नया किया है. लास्ट फिल्म से आपको दिखेगा ये अलग ऋतिक आए हैं, अलग पिक्चर बनी है, अलग माहौल है, अलग डायमेंशन है. लेट्स कीप आवर फिंगर्स क्रॉस. आप लोगों को ये पिक्चर अच्छी लगे, आप लोगों को लगे ये रोशन स्टैम्प की पिक्चर है. हाँ बस है.